Welcome back to Cross Country Garage, and want to introduce one of our future projects here. It's a 51 GMC Cabover. That's one of our shop dogs. That's Diesel. He's a Weimaraner. He's a nice boy. Hey, Diggy. And there's Ivan, just a little fella. Say hi. Anyway, this is a 51 GMC COE, which means cab over engine for some of the people who haven't really dealt with these much. But this is a, I think it equates to like a 3-ton. And it's the 450 model, which is pretty heavy duty. And we're going to make a ramp truck, which is, you know, a hauler out of it. I may fab a new chassis or stretch this one out. What you see on top of here is flight deck material, which this will be the top part of the ramp portion of the truck. This way you have a lot of areas to cinch straps down and everything else, and it's a little bit lighter weight because of the holes in it, but they are dimpled and everything for strength, plus they have the big groove in them. But back to the truck, it's I have to show it from up here. It is pretty weathered, and it's going to be a pretty big task here, but it's going to be pretty awesome when it's all finished. This was a military truck in the beginning of its life, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the patina on the body, and but do a nice chassis. And we are going to do the 12-valve Cummins diesel in it with the 4-speed manual transmission. So it should be pretty awesome. We're super excited about this build, and love to hear feedback on it, you know, because what we like to do, we like to shoot video of stuff that is of your interest as well and everything. And if you have any of these out there, you know, send us pictures, and we like suggestions too here and there, which is fun. But I have a lot of the old school equipment. I have the old Arizona truck license plates and the single trumpet horn and everything. This thing's gonna look pretty bad to the bone, and I'm not lowering it or anything. It's gonna be big and tall as it is. Got to keep that intimidation up on it. So anyway, that's about it, and we will check in and give progress of when we're going forward with this.